want to introduce you to our 5002E series. It's a single selection or dual selection card vending machine. It accepts 1, 5, 10s, and 20s. In this case, we've got it configured for $5 and $10. I can insert any combination of bills. Example, my $1 bills. And each bill that's inserted counts on the little meter on the side of the machine. And once I reach $5, you'll get a constant green light. So now I've got a constant green light for a $5 vend. If I add another $5 bill to it, then I'll have both of them illuminated. So now I can either get 2 $5 cards or one $10 card. This is for magnetic stripe cards, cardboard cards, pull tab, chip cards, all of the different types of cards. And it's fully adjustable in terms of thickness of the cards. You can go from 0.012 all the way up to 40 thousandths in thickness. It has an adjustable gate. A heavy-duty T-handle lock with a removable cylinder, so you can have them all key-alike or different. To unlock it, you unscrew the lock, and it opens up, exposing the inside of the machine. You have your bill acceptor, and it holds, this is a removable cassette, which, alright, you can either just pick the bills out like this, or you can open up the door and remove the bills from the top, like this. Both card dispensers hold approximately 160 cards in each one of the standard 30 thousandths thickness. Very easy to load your cards. It's got a little card weight. Again, it's available either in one dispenser or dual dispensers. It's pre-wired for 2. This ends our video on the 5002E.